After you guys already learned about few capital city on the mainland of Southeast Asia, that is Naypyidaw, Vientiane, and Phnom Penh from my last video. Today, I try my best again to explain two more of the capital city in Southeast Asia, that is Thailand and Vietnam. Let's we talk about this. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to continue my series, and in this video today I'm going try my best to explain to you guys the last two of Southeast Asia capital city, that is Bangkok and Hanoi. Okay, first Bangkok. Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand, and it is located in the central part of Thailand near the mouth of Chao Phraya River. The city is also sit not far from the Gulf of Thailand. And did you guys know, actually Bangkok have a full name, that is Krung Thap Mahanakhon, and the rest of it you guys can see on the screen right now. If you guys want to try pronounce all of full name of Bangkok, you guys can try it, but I'm going to continue on the brief history of Bangkok. Before becoming a major city in the 15th century, it was originally a small riverside trading settlement along Chao Phraya River called Bang Makok. And in 1782, King Rama I founded the Chakri dynasty and officially moved the capital to eastern side of the river. He moved the capital after Ayutthaya, capital of Siam, was destroyed in Burmese-Siamese War. During the 19th century, especially under King Rama IV and Rama V, Bangkok began to modernize with road, railway, and also their first international airport in 1914, Don Mueang International Airport. And in the last decade, Bangkok rapidly expanded Thailand's political, economic, and cultural to the world stage. As a result from that, Bangkok is the economic powerhouse of Thailand, generating a large portion of Thailand's GDP. And it is one of the most visited tourist cities in the world, known for its temple, food, and nightlife. Bangkok also has major transportation infrastructure, including international airport, highway, and urban rail system such as BTS SkyTrain. But beside of that, Bangkok is well known for its traffic congestion, which can be extremely heavy during the rush hour. Flooding can also occur because part of the city are very low lying and also close to the sea level, especially when it's rainy season. And because of huge tourism level, its rapid urban expansion has created challenge in housing, pollution, and city planning. Now, talking about landmark, Bangkok have many landmarks, but just some of it. First, Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew. Second, Wat Arun or Temple of Dawn. Third is Wat Po or Temple of the Reclining Buddha. Some interesting about Bangkok city. First, Bangkok is where ASEAN or Association of Southeast Asian Nation was founded. So in 1967, 5 Southeast Asia countries signed the Bangkok Declaration, that is, make ASEAN is officially founded. If you guys want to know or learn more about ASEAN, you guys can watch this my older video talking about history and impact of ASEAN to this region. And in the beginning of this video, I talk about the official name of Bangkok, and this name is recognized by Guinness World of Record as the longest official city name ever used. Now we're going to talk Hanoi. Hanoi is the Vietnam capital city, and it's located in the northern Vietnam near the Red River Delta, one of the most fertile and densely populated region in the country. Hanoi lies about 100 kilometers from the Gulf of Tonkin, which historically made it an important political and cultural center in the northern Vietnam. Now I'm going to talk a brief history of Hanoi. So the history of Hanoi dates back more than 1,000 years ago. In 1010, Emperor Lai Tai To moved the capital of Vietnam to this area and named it Tan Long, or Ascending Dragon. The city remained an important political center for several Vietnamese dynasties over the centuries. And in 19th century, Vietnam came under the control of French, and Hanoi later became the capital of French Indochina in 1902. After the World War II, in 1945, Vietnamese leader Ho Chi Minh declared the independence of Vietnam in Hanoi. And then in 1976, following the Vietnamese War, Hanoi once again became the capital city of reunified Vietnam. Now talking about population, Hanoi population is around 8 million people in its metropolitan area. And this city is blend more urban development with historic neighborhood, especially in famous Old Quarter. Also, you can see motorcycle in every corner of Hanoi because motorbike is the main mode transportation for a lot of people in Hanoi. There are a lot amazing things about Hanoi. First, Hanoi is the political heart of Vietnam, hosting the country's major government. And this city has rich historical and cultural heritage with temple, colonial architecture, and historic district. Hanoi also the center for education, art, tradition, and lastly, tourism in Vietnam. In the other hand though, Hanoi faced serious traffic congestion, largely due to a huge number of motorbikes. Rapid population growth puts pressure on housing, transportation, and infrastructure in Hanoi. Air pollution also a challenge for Hanoi population during a certain time of the year. And now we're going to talk about the beautiful landmark on Hanoi. First, they had Old Quarter, Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, and Temple of Literature. Some interesting fact about Hanoi. Hanoi is one of the oldest capital in Southeast Asia with more than 1,000 years of recorded history. And Hanoi have one most unusual place called Hanoi Train Street, where train pass just a few centimeters from commercial and residential area. So those were the final two of capital city in this series, that is Bangkok and Hanoi. And with these two cities, that means we now cover all of the ASEAN capital city across the Southeast Asia region. That is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching all of my 4 series, that is 4 videos. across the Southeast Asia region. I hope you guys learn something new in this journey, and let me know down in the comment section below if you guys have any idea for my next series or your opinion about all of ASEAN capital city, and you can support me by like my video. That's it. Take care, stay healthy, and goodbye.